Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get more views for your listing on Facebook Marketplace. So now, the first thing that you will need to do is to open your web browser. Either it was Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge, or Google Chrome, or any web browser. After that, you will need to go to facebook.com in the URL and click enter. Now, you will need to create a Facebook account if you don't already have it. To do so, you will need just to click create new account and it will take you to the new account creation. So basically all you need to do is to fill in all this information and then you will click on sign up. After that, you will have your Facebook account that will be created successfully. Then all you need to do is to go again to facebook.com and then you will add your account, or you are going to log in to your account. So basically you click on login after you fill in your email and password and it will take you to your account. And now the last thing to do is to go to the marketplace, and now all it remains to do again is to follow these simple steps. And now all you need to do is to go to the selling dashboard or the selling view, and then you will need to do some modification to your items. So basically, to have more views, you have some options. The first option is to boost your listing, and to do so you will need just to pay an amount, a daily budget, so it can be boosted and it will appear more on the marketplace, and by that you will get more view. Otherwise, you can just share your listing in many groups or many places, so you can get many views after that because it will be shared at many places. Otherwise, you can just click on the 3-point action and you can have here an option that is called share in many places or share in more places, so it will be spreaded in many other groups that you have joined your listing, and then it will be reviewed by more people, and as a result you will have more views. Otherwise, you can just modify and enhance your keywords of your listing by going and editing your listing, and make sure that you have like a good title and you have some reasonable price. Also, you need to be more specific in your category and other details, and also in the condition you will need to do more like keyword that will appear more on the marketplace. And also there is another important thing is the product tag. Make sure that you add as many tags as you can, and make sure that these tags are researched by other people, so your listing can appear to them and they will click, and as a result you will have more views for them. And all it remains to do is to click on update to save the changes, and then you will have more views, or the amount of views will increase for your listing, and that's it. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.